Is the sliding sign positive or negative in this 46-year-old multipara who was evaluated for chronic pelvic pain? Review of the previous scans consistently show ovarian cysts. Sometimes reported as bilateral and other times as unilateral. Let's remember that gynecology scan is incomplete without demonstration of sliding sign. When we talk about gynecology scan in today's world, we are referring to transvaginal scanning. So let's look at this still image. This is the bowel, some free fluids in the peritoneal cavity. This is an ovarian lesion, not the fishnet appearance, which is a feature of hemorrhagic cyst, but at times endometrioma could also appear like this. So this is the ovary, this is the fundus of the uterus, and look at this line of cleavage between the ovary and the fundus of the uterus. This suggests that there is no adhesion between the ovary and the uterus, and therefore the sliding sign should be positive. So let's look at the video in the next. In this short video, I will demonstrate both positive and negative sliding sign. The negative sliding sign is, however, false negative. This is the bowel, briefly in the peritoneal cavity, the ovary, and the uterus. At the beginning, I will slide the transvaginal probe towards the lesion and see whether the ovary will move away from the uterus or not. Secondly, I will use dynamic scanning by placing my left palm in the suprapubic region and apply pressure from above and also slide the transvaginal probe. This is what is called dynamic scanning. When I do that, you realize that the bowel here will herniate into this groove between the ovary and the uterus, and therefore the sliding sign will be positive. So let's play the video. So applying probe pressure using the transvaginal probe. So you see the ovary is not sliding freely independent of the uterus. But look at with dynamic scanning. When I place my palm in this suprapubic region, look at what happened. Bowel herniated into the groove between the ovary and the uterus. And when I lift my hand up, you will note that this bowel will recede. You see that? So this is positive sliding sign, not a negative sliding sign. Learning point here is that whenever the sliding sign is negative, please try demonstrating using dynamic scanning. Thank you very much for listening.